The bungee is a great way to build acceleration, speed, strength, and balance. Not to mention, it's also fun. So, the main thing you want to remember when you're doing the bungee is this. Stay low and keep a forward lean. As long as you stay low and keep a forward lean, you will not wind up on your backside, which is bad. There's a couple ways you can do the bungee. You can go fast and shorter, which works on your cardio, or you can go longer and slower, which works on strength. You decide how you want to do it. For beginners, you want to start with short distances and get used to the recoil. It's not going out that's the problem. It's coming back that will put you on your butt. And that's what you want to avoid. And that's why it's also important to stay low and keep a forward lean. If you do that, you're going to not only get stronger, build better balance, but you're going to stay on your feet, which is what we all want.